biggest turning point in my career was joining NASSCOM, leaving the corporate world to take on the responsibility of the tech industry, the industry in which I have grown up. And that too at a time when the entire industry was busy transforming itself, I think has been just the most gratifying and the most challenging environment that I have ever got thrown into in my professional career, and has had the most learning. So I would say that's been the biggest turning point in my career.
With respect to the role that I do today, uh, I feel that the most important turning point happened a few years ago when I moved back from Singapore. I was there for a short stint of work, and then I came back, and I was at sea. I felt that I had done everything, in linear television, and I didn't want to join cinema just as yet. I felt that I could apply myself to many projects at the same time, and I think strategically. So I was just waiting. I didn't know what to do. And then these were early days of streaming, and I never imagined myself to be someone who could jump onto the streaming bandwagon, because it hadn't become so big. It was sometime in 2015 at that time. And how times change. 5 years are, we've moved so fast. But at that time, I jumped into streaming. I was convinced by some people. I wasn't convinced myself, but I'm very happy that, I was pushed, and I also took that call to learn and to take a call whether I wanted to be in this or not. And I think I joined a streaming platform. I joined Viacom and launched their streaming platform Boot. And it was such a huge learning experience for me, because it was not just content, it was setting up a streaming service from the get-go.
Biggest turning point in my career is I had been in a lot of so-called staff roles through the first 10, 15 years of my career. And the biggest turning point was when I chose to take a very big, visible, operational role in the company. Mm-hmm. And for HUL, this was being in charge of one of the heads of one of the branches we have in the Western region. So I was the first woman regional manager that HUL had. And taking on this big operational role in the company was a big turning point for me. And both because, it required me to change my skills, but also it was certainly uncharted territory. And therefore, I think for me, a big turning point, I could say, was that.